This kata is called remove duplicates from list. The task is loud and clear. We have a list and some may contain duplicates and we have to remove them. How to go about that? Well, first of all, let's start with a method that is widely known, and that is converting the list to a set. We can do it as follows. The argument should be equal to a set, and then we can pass in the argument. So let's print it out, and it's typed. Yeah, as you can see, the set matches the expected output, and we are dealing with a set. And the only thing that we have to do is to convert the set back to a list again. And we can do it as follows. We can return and then use the list function and pass in the argument. In other words, the set that we want to cast back to a string. And this will take care of the conversion. Yeah, but a little heads up. All the integers in these lists are actually in an ascending order. Hence, this seems to work out. But if the integers would have been mixed up in this list, we might have changed the order because a set is always in an ascending order. Hence, I will show you a second method which always respects the order of the integers as well. Let me comment this out. And let's go with the second method. And what we have to do is the following. We have to use dict and then from keys and pass in the argument and assign it to the argument as well to see how it actually looks like. Let's print it out. And what this actually does is that it converts the elements in the list to keys. Keys are unique and it also assigns values. We didn't put in a second argument, so the values that will be assigned are none by default, but that's actually not a problem for our task because we have to convert it back to a string eventually. Let's test it out. Yeah, as you can see, the keys have the exact values that we need in our list. So if we convert the dictionary back to a list, we will get the expected list once again. So let's convert it back. Once again, we use the list function and we put in the argument. And let's test it. There we go. And attempt it. Works like a charm. I hope this was useful and that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.